Hey guys, this is the video giveaway that I was talking about I'd make on my live feed. So a lady in my for those of you that don't know, a lady in my town, most people in my town know that I'm a wood carver now. A lady in my town, again, has gotten a hold of me on Facebook. I don't know her, but she said maybe I'd be interested in having her late husband's, rest in peace, wooden chisels, as she has no use for them, and maybe I might be able to use them, or can find somebody that will be able to use them. So myself, I don't really use chisels, and I already have like 50 put away for when I do want to use them. So I thought maybe it would be good to give these away as a giveaway. They come in a box. Okay. Here they are. They're pretty mint shape, if you ask me. I don't know if you guys are reading this backwards or not, but that's the make. And here's the chisels. So you got some V-groove chisels. You got some V-groove chisels, if you can see that. Okay. You got some other rounded chisels. So there's 6 chisels in here. Okay, so they're, like I said, they're pretty mint shaped. Talked to Pete, he said they're pretty decent chisels. Here's some kind of sharpening stone. I'll throw 1 or 2 of these in. I don't know what it is. And I'll throw in a couple stickers. Carving Fusion stickers. So also I'll put, there it's in the box. Also I'll put a couple of my business cards in there and stuff too. So you guys, all you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and the giveaway will be next live feed. I'm not too sure. I usually do my live feeds on Thursday, so I'm not too sure if that's Christmas or Christmas Eve. So we might have to postpone it, but just leave a comment on this video, and you have to be present for the live feed to win it, because that's how we draw. I just choose by numbers. Say if you've left the 60th comment or the 10th comment, and I draw number 10 out of the little tin thing I got, then that's who wins the giveaway. I pay shipping, guys, and you got to give me a week or 2 to ship it, because, well, and it's Christmas time and everything's crazy. Try sending stuff away right now. So anyways, guys, just leave a comment on this video, and you'll be entered, and be in the live feed on Thursday Pacific time, and you'll be entered to win this chisel set. Okay, hope everybody's good. Take it easy. See you later. Hey guys, I just looked at the calendar and realized this Thursday will be Boxing Day on the 26th, 5 o'clock Pacific time, and you also need to be subscribed to my channel. And there's Just Carve Rob.